Hey, this is Joel with Coreware's Marketing and Concierge Services. With the volatility and uncertainty going on in the world, our developers have been tweaking our systems to give you more options in regards to distributor inventory feeds. They have given you the ability to turn off the inventory feed of any distributor from your customer's perspective or both you and your customer's perspective. What does this mean in a practical sense? Let's take a look at the two options. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to Products, click on Products, Settings, and Locations. Once we're at Locations, we can see we've got all of our distributors right here on the right. Let's pick a distributor, click on it, scroll to the bottom, and here are our two options, internal use only and inactive. Internal use only allows you and your staff to be still able to see inventory from a particular distributor while taking the option away from your customers. The internal use only feature does precisely that. Inactive means no one sees any inventory from the distributor you deactivate. Deactivating does not mean you are entirely doing away with the distributor. It just means you are turning them off for a bit. You can turn them back on whenever you desire. You can see how this is a tool you may want to use right now. With everything being so uncertain, you can bring a little certainty back into your business by managing the expectations of your customers. Night and day, our developers are trying to find new and more efficient ways to help you run your business. With the system as powerful as Coreware, you're able to get as granular as you want. It just requires a little time on your part. Want to see a video on a particular subject? Put in a ticket and let us know if we can help. We want you to get the full benefit out of Coreware's plethora of features.